All right, my name is Joey, and today we're gonna do some smoking, and we're gonna smoke some sockeye salmon. And this is the smoker that I like to use. It's called the Smoke Hollow, and it's pretty economical. You can pick one up. I got mine at my local Bi-Mart store for a couple $100. So what I'm gonna do now today is I'm gonna empty the trays where I put the pellets in. I'm gonna take the old ones out, and they're already all cold. I'd recommend that you put them on a cookie sheet so that they can kind of burn out here, because they still stay pretty hot afterwards. And so I'm going to set that tray down and grab the other one. There's two trays for double smoking, right? Works really well. I've had just about every smoker there is to have out there, and this one actually seems to do pretty good. So we're going to continue to dump the other tray out so that we can, all those are kind of burned up. And then I'm going to come over here to my pellets. And what I like to use is Bear Mountain barbecue pellets. They got different flavors. They got mesquite, they've got hickory. I like to use maple. So what I'm gonna do is find something to open that up there. Open my bag of pellets. Open those up.
What flavor pellets are these?
This we're trying, I've never tried alder before, so we're going to try alder. Like I said, I usually use mesquite, Texas mesquite, or maple. So I'm going to put about 4 cups of pellets. You got 4 cups of pellets in here. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3, and there's 4. And that should last me. I like to come out, even them out there. I like to come out about once every 2 hours and check it and make sure that, you know, I have fresh pellets in there. So it gives me more smoke, I guess. And then we're going to take it and we're going to put it back in the smoker here. And we're going to go over here and we're going to do the other one. And again, it takes about 4 cups of pellets is usually what I put in here. There's 1. There's 2, there's 3, and there's 4. All right, level those out, and then we're going to take the other tray of pellets, and we're going to slide it in gently. And then I'm going to open my smoker up here and make sure that I have a full container of water, which looks like there's about half in there. So we're going to go and take this and dump it out. So you notice I filled my water pan up. So we're going to put that back in the smoker. And I'm going to adjust my racks because I smoked a turkey for Thanksgiving, which turned out beautiful. So I'm going to give me some room where I can put my salmon in. And that's about it, guys. I've got to get my salmon is marinated. It's been marinating for about 12 hours. And I'm going to close this back up and go do a little bit more prep work. And I will see you guys back in about 15 or 20 minutes. Oh, hey guys, so we're back. I had to throw some wood on the fire though to kind of keep it warm. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the kitchen. I'm going to show you guys that we have 2 pieces of slab of sockeye tuna, and I'm going to show you or tell you how we marinated it and try to do the comparison of what my son did with his salmon and what I did with mine. So let's go on into the kitchen and get started. Hey guys, so we're going to head back to the kitchen and I'm going to show you what we have here. We have 2 fillets of salmon, one on the left, one on the right. My son has cut his up into 4 pieces because he had a bigger fillet than I did. As you can see, I only have 3 on mine. He has done a salt and sugar with Yoshida's marinade on his overnight. And on mine, I just did the Yoshida's, and we're gonna, it has also been marinated overnight. So they look absolutely beautiful. Nice cuts, good quality of salmon. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this salmon out to the smoker as we did earlier, and then, you know, getting everything ready, and we're going to stick it on the shelves and turn the smoker on and let it smoke. So let's go on out to the smoker. Hey guys, it's Joey back again, and we are going to go over here, and we're out by the smoker, and we're going to lay these pieces of salmon down here for about 15 minutes, and I'm going to show you guys how I get my smoker going, and we're going to let that preheat for about 15 minutes. So let's go over here, and as we did before, I was showing you that the trays, you know, I took the old pellets out and put the new ones in, and so basically it's pretty simple. We're just going to turn the gas on the side here. There we go. So we got one side going there, and we're going to close that little air vent. We're going to go over to the other side and light it up. Go. Beautiful. So now, as you can see, got it all lit up there. It's on high, and I'm just going to leave it on high until we get kind of rolling here. Heats it up pretty quick, and then when I see smoke start coming out, then I'm going to turn the smoker down to low, and I am going to smoke my salmon at about 225 degrees for 4 to 6 hours. I prefer to do it from 4 hours. If you go any longer than that, I have experience for myself that it likes to dry the salmon out. I'm going to open the smoker, and I'm going to show you guys that I like to kind of keep it on the medium shelf here. So we're going to adjust that shelf right there, and then I'm just going to put my salmon down with the skin side down, and kind of helps hold in all the moistures and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and close this right now and let this heat up, and we'll be back with you guys in about 15 minutes. So we'll see you back. Hey guys, so we're back. So I went ahead and put the salmon on the middle tray in the smoker here, and as you can see, we got lots of smoke starting to come out, so ought to be really good on that salmon. But I'm going to open this up, and you're going to see a big plume of smoke come out, and as you can see, I'll pull this out so you can see it. I put the salmon down skin side, so it kind of helps hold in on all the moisture, and I'm going to push that back in, and we're going to periodically check the pellets and make sure that we have fresh pellets in there, because we like to have lots of smoke. And we also again want to have the temperature about 225 degrees, and we're going to smoke it for about 4 to 6 hours. I'm going to check it in about 4 hours and see where we're at, and we will see you guys back then. Hey guys, we're back, and it's been almost 4 hours, not quite, but almost. But we're going to open the smoker up and see how our salmon turned out. And it looks like it's turned out pretty good. Juice is bubbling up there, and I'm thinking that that's almost just about perfect for me. So we will take this out of here and take it upstairs and kind of do a comparison of Steven's salmon and my salmon. So we'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, we are back. Now we are done with the smoked salmon, taking it off the smoker. We've got it on a plate over here. I'm going to sit down here and try both Steven, my son's salmon, where he did a kind of like a brine on it, where he did the salt and the brown sugar, and then I'm going to do mine, which was just in Yoshida sauce, or marinade, excuse me, I keep wanting to call it a sauce, marinade, for about 10 hours. So I'm going to sit down here and try it and see what happens. On the side, you can see that we've got some beautiful bell pepper slices and some sauteed mushrooms. So looks like a meal to me. So I'm going to sit here and taste it and see if I can taste a difference. Mmm. A little dry on the top, but very moist underneath the skin. It's very good. So that one was Steven's, where he did the salt and the brown sugar brine. And I'm going to go over to mine, where I did just the Yoshida. It looks pretty moist. That looks done. Wow, incredible.
How's the smoke flavor?
Good.
Good. Because you were using alder, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so that's a different one. Can you taste the difference between the normal, the different
Then the
one?
maple, yeah.
Yeah. So what's the difference between the two? You think? Flavor-wise?
I think I prefer the maple better. It seems to be a sweeter smoke than it does the alder. The alder seems to be kind of woody. Sorry. We're back. Regained my composure there. That was a little bit funny. We both had to laugh at that one. Anyhow, yeah, the alder, excuse me, tastes a little bit different than the maple. So, anyhow, if you guys like what you see, subscribe to my channel. And until next time, we will talk to you later. And I'm going to enjoy this beautiful dinner.